This tutorial shows you how to clear and refresh your Bluetooth connections when they are not working properly. First, open your Android settings. Tap on Connections. From there, tap on Bluetooth. At this point, toggle Bluetooth off and back on again to do a quick refresh and check if your issue is resolved. From there, if the problem persists, tap and hold on any paired device in the list that is causing issues or select Settings. After that, tap on Unpair or Forget to remove that device from your saved connections. In the next step, toggle Bluetooth off completely, wait a few seconds, then toggle it back on and try pairing the device again from scratch. From there, if Bluetooth is still not working properly after repairing, go back to Android settings. Once done, tap on General Management. Following this, tap on Reset and then tap on Reset Network Settings. From here, tap on Reset Settings and confirm when prompted. At this stage, keep in mind that resetting network settings will also clear your saved Wi-Fi passwords and mobile network settings alongside Bluetooth, so make sure you have your Wi-Fi password on hand before proceeding. After this, once the reset is complete, your Bluetooth settings will be fully cleared and you can pair your devices again fresh. Keep in mind, if a specific Bluetooth device still fails to connect after a full network reset, the issue may be with the device itself rather than your phone, so try pairing it with another phone to rule that out. Finally, go back to Bluetooth settings and confirm your devices are pairing and connecting correctly after the reset. And that's it. If this guide helped you reset Bluetooth settings on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.